ready for the dictation? 3, 2, 1, start. In a recent judgment dated 12/1/2022, in a special leave to appeal within bracket C number 21132 of 2021, Assistant Commissioner within bracket ST and others versus Messrs Satyam Shivam Papers Private Limited and another, Honorable Supreme Court, in the matter of goods and services tax imposed cost upon the authority by enhancing the cost equivalent to the tax and penalty levied. Stop. Relevant portion of the aforesaid judgment of Honorable Supreme Court is reproduced below. Para. Upon our having made these observations, learned counsel for the petitioners has attempted to submit that the questions of law in this case, as regards the operation and effect of Section 129 of Telangana Goods and Services Tax Act, 2017 and violation by the writ petitioner, may be kept open. Stop. The submissions sought to be made do not give rise to even a question of fact. What to say of a question of law? Stop. As noticed herein above, it has precisely been found that there was no intent on the part of the writ petitioner to evade tax, and rather, the goods in question could not be taken to the destination within time for the reasons beyond the control of the writ petitioner. Stop. When the undeniable facts, including the traffic blockage due to agitation, are taken into consideration, the state alone remains responsible for not providing a smooth passage of traffic. Stop. Para. The High Court has awarded costs to the writ petitioner in the sum of rupees 10,000 in relation to tax and penalty of rupees 69,000 that was sought to be imposed by the petitioner number 2 in the given circumstances, a further sum of rupees 59,000 is imposed on the petitioners toward costs, which shall be payable to the writ petitioner within 4 weeks from today. Stop. This would be over and above the sum of rupees 10,000 already awarded by the High Court. Stop. Para. In view of the detailed findings recorded by us in foregoing paragraphs of this judgment and our conclusion that the respondents have acted arbitrarily, illegally, without jurisdiction, caused harassment to the petitioner and abused power conferred under the Act, 1961, which resulted in creation of illegal demand of income tax of rupees 16 crore 90 lakh 61,731, we find it a fit case to impose cost of rupees 50 lakh upon the respondents, which shall be deposited by the respondents in the Prime Minister National Relief Fund within 3 weeks from today. Stop. Para. In result, the writ petition is allowed with cost of rupees 50 lakh on the respondents, which shall be deposited in Prime Minister National Relief Fund within 3 weeks from today. Stop. The impugned notice dated 31/3/2021 under Section 148, the impugned order dated 24/3/2022 and the impugned reassessment order dated 31/3/2022 for the assessment year 2017-18 under Section 147 read and Section 144B of the Act, 1961, and all consequential proceedings are hereby quashed and following directions are issued: Para. After this judgment was delivered in open court, the learned Additional Solicitor General of India and the learned Senior Standing Counsel requested that the cost may be deferred today and they may be heard only on the question of quantum of cost. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, आज जोड़ के विनती है।